Hey guys, Erik Kaiser, REMAX, your probate and trust real estate specialist with another episode of Protect the Estate. And today I wanted to share something about limited authority. Just had some great news. We did have our sale confirmed with the courts today. So my client and the estate is very happy. And I wanted to share a couple things you want to look out for if you're working with a limited authority situation that involves real property. A lot of times you'll end up selling as is to an investor or a flipper. One of the things that you want to keep an eye out for and get confirmation from either the other agent and or the investor is making sure that they're not going to switch the names of the entity buyers, meaning the LLC or the corporate name. They're not going to take it from one and switch it into another based on their partnership agreements with their partners in their business. It's really important because they will try to do some things like that, and or they might not know the process or how important it is to not do that. A lot of times I'll protect the estate and we can get them to release the EMD, which is the earnest money deposit, up to 3% to the seller, and that really protects and solidifies the price and the contract. So if you're in a situation, whether you're administrator, executor, going through limited authority, selling real property, or you're an industry professional, for example, estate planning professional, and you have a client going through that process, if you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to me. I assist probably about 20 estates a year, liquidate the real property. One thing you want to keep an eye out for, if you're working with an agent and you're selling limited authority, you accepted the contract, you've got your court date. One of the things that I always recommend, either that the attorney or the fiduciary do, and or the client, is make sure the agent puts the case information or the court date information in the MLS in the private remarks. So here's our limited authority right here. In the back, in the private remarks, we have a private remarks section for realtors to see. And that gives all the information on when the court date's coming up, possibly who the attorney is as well. So anybody interested in overbidding through that process can actually know where to show up, know who to contact to let them know that there would be an overbid coming in. Very, very important. A lot of times agents that don't have the experience selling through limited authority will not understand the importance of doing their job for the estate and placing that information in the private remarks. They just won't know it. They don't have the experience. So if you're looking for an agent with some experience in that arena, please feel free to reach out to me. It's really important to kind of keep that information out there so you can do the best for the estate and obtain the most money possible. So if you want to learn a little bit more about what I do and how I can possibly help, please feel free to visit my website, protecttheestate.com. I'm more than happy to assist, serving San Diego, LA, San Bernardino, and Riverside counties. Thanks for watching. Take care.